Yes, welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more CJ500 which is completely built at Jeepzone itself. This is not for sale. This is a custom built for only for our customer. This vehicle is a completely built with a huge setup. This vehicle is coming up with the off-roading bumpers we have added in this. You can just have a look at the off-roading bumpers. These are the bumpers which has been added. We have added auxiliary lights in this, and hella headlights have been added on this vehicle. And apart from that, the vehicle is been upgraded with a disc brake in this set of two front all our disc brakes in this we have upgraded. And you can just have a look at the vehicle is coming up with auxiliary lights also, and brand new tarpaul has been added, and 35-inch empty tires have been added, Maxis buckshot mudder. So you can just have a look at these are offset rims in this. We have added 35 into 12.5 into 15 off-road rims have been added. All the tires, so set of 5 tires we have added, and also we have added a stepper, that's the door stepper to climb. And you can just have a look at the complete look of this vehicle. It's like a monster kind of look because customer has a farmland in the jungles. That's the reason we have built the vehicle for rough terrain and high altitude terrain. So you can just have a look at the tarpaul also. It's in very much neat condition, and custom tire carrier has been built on this at the moment. So you can just have a look at the tire because the tire space is huge enough. And when coming to the look of this vehicle, it's like a monster kind of look. And when coming to the off-road setup, this vehicle is having a power steering is available in this. 5% gearbox, 4-wheel drive is also available in this. The seats are in very much neat condition at the moment. Power clutch, power brake, and disc brakes have been added on this vehicle at the moment. Completely a well maintained vehicle and built only for camping as well as off-road purpose. This vehicle setup is a DI turbo engine, disc brake, power steering, and upgraded clutch and everything. For any kinds of order of this kinds of jeeps to be built on order, please do contact us on our WhatsApp number 9886679617. We are based in Bangalore. Our workshop name is Jeepzone. Please like and subscribe our channel for more and more updates. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.